Okay, welcome to the cover design section of the course. This is one of the important ingredients to being able to sell books. I can't stress that enough. So pay attention. Your book's life depends on this. Anyway, I order all of my covers from Fiverr.com. I don't pay more than $15 for a cover. For romance covers, I do pay I don't know, $90, whatever it is. I'm not really big on the fiction space. But like I said, the cover is important, but you don't have to pay a lot of money to have a great cover. So let's get right into this lesson. This is vital to your business, and this is where you're going to have your creative juices flowing, and your business really needs you to be on point when it comes to cover design. So I have a Shutterstock page, and I just collect pictures. I publish in the niche of manipulation, books on manipulation, which is kind of popular. So I'm giving you another profitable keyword here. And these are some of the pictures I've collected. I collect and I delete. But I want you to look at this area here. I've deleted some of the pictures that I've used in the past. I'm going to show you an old book, a book more than a year old. Almost 2 years now, and I'm going to give you some real evidence as to what could happen with a 15,000 word book, okay, and a good cover. So I publish in the keyword manipulation. Manipulation now is a pretty big niche market. It's 8,000 competitors. My book is ranking #1 on this page right now. All right, this is my book right here. And I'm going to hover over it. It's only 52 pages. This is a 15,000 word book, okay? 15,000, just what we talked about. You don't need a 30,000 word count book. You could make a lot of money with a 15,000 word book. This was published back in 2019. This cover, for some reason, I picked the picture, as you're seeing here, as I do with all my covers. It was something like one of these, and I sent it to my guys on Fiverr. And if you're in my course, you're going to get exactly the designers that I use. They're somewhere in Africa. And I send them the picture. I tell them what I want. And they come back, and it's $15. But I have a creative input into the picture that I want and where I'm going with it. All right? This is vital to your business. People buy books based on the pictures. Okay? They start off looking for the word, and then the best cover wins. Or it's the cover. So, and I'm gonna show you exactly why now. So this book here, 2019, it's ranking #1. Okay, this is page 1. This is page 1. Okay, see, this is page 1. We go to page 2. Let's go. That's page 2. I just want to see something here. Page 3. Let's see. I'm looking for something. I've seen this. Page 4. Let's see. Come on. Okay. Look at this cover here. Page 4. This guy tried to imitate exactly my cover, right? This book is from this year. So a year after he saw that my book was selling well, was ranking high. It's been ranking high for over a year. His book is 141 pages, yet he tried to copy exactly my cover. And his rank is in the 400,000. His book is longer, 141, but it just didn't resonate, right? It didn't resonate. So if we go back to page 1, here are the 2 sponsored ads, right? And here's my book sitting on #1 on Amazon, the largest bookseller in the country. All right, so now let's talk about it. The cover is the most important thing for your business. I'm going to show you exactly why. This book here, as you saw, it came out in February 2019, $37. Right from the get, $700, $1,300, $1,600, $2,000, $2,200, $1,300. This book pays somebody's rent, okay? And that happens to be mine. This book has generated over $17,000, and it cost me like $300 to make. 300 and change. All right, and when I've shown you these book report pages, right, this is just one avenue of revenue. This is just one. Let me show you, there's at least two more. Let me show you audiobook sales for this book. I've sold over 23,381. All right, 23,381. So when you look at that, 23,381, probably make $2 for me. Audio alone, that book has made me 46,000 plus another 17 for 79. So this book alone on a $300, $400 investment has made over $64,000. There's one more revenue stream, but that's not the point of this module. I just want to stress to you the importance when a cover hits, it's going to resonate in all of your revenue sources. I have one more revenue source, and it's sold just as well as this. That means that this picture is resonating with people, right? And when you find something like that, you have to study it and see what you did right so you could replicate it. So I just gave you another niche, another example. All you're gonna do is you're gonna find pictures here that you love, that resonate with your message, and you're gonna place the order here. I'm gonna have Sarah do a lesson on the technicals of placing an order here under the section that we have for publishing lessons. But understand, you have to be creative. I love this about the publishing business. I've always loved the art in books. And I take this part very, 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 very serious because I understand very well that pictures are what sells books, at least a good percentage of the time. You're going to have to have other things right, but the picture is the first thing that you're going to have to get right. So let's just look at things that we've talked about. Let's look at all right, let's stay on manipulation. Let's just see other covers, just so that you could see what good covers look like. These two ads here, I like these covers actually. I like these covers. Let's see. This one is selling well. This just came out a couple of days ago. I'm not going to judge that yet. This one has been around for a long time. See, 2018, it's still selling well. You have to study what covers, what people are doing, and what's selling well. The one advice is when you're looking at covers, when you're looking at design, you don't want to copy somebody exactly the same like that guy did to me. What you want to do is just get an understanding of what is working well. So this is selling well under manipulation. Okay, get the feel for what that is. This is selling well. You see, these two are similar, right? The same kind of concept, but they're two different covers. They're both selling well. One person didn't copy exactly the other. And that's what you have to try to do. You have to try to get something that's selling well, and you have to improve upon it, but never copy somebody's image and try to do the same exact thing. It's just a poor thing to do, and it's probably never going to work well for you either. So let's keep on going here under manipulation. This is kind of scary. Let's see. It's selling. Dark psychology, how to analyze people. Let's see here. I want to give you an example here. This is kind of the same concept, kind of a little cheesy for my taste. But this is something very personal, okay? This is something very personal to you because it's the creative side. I would just say that pick something, and this is something you're going to have to test and learn. And if something's not working, right? If people are not even clicking on your book, that means the cover is not good. If people are clicking into your book, right? They're clicking in there, and you're not getting sales, that means your description is off. This part here. So if people are clicking into here, and then they get to here, and they're not buying, that means that the description is off. If they're not clicking into your book, then the cover is off. Anyway, I can't stress to you enough on cover design. And now that we've introduced this part of the lesson, I will start touching on that as we go through the course on different covers and give you more examples as we go along. I hope this helped. I'll see you on the next module.